Are you tired of having the same boring white yard when it snows as everyone else?
Well, you can change that!
With this new product called Snow Paint, you can paint your yard.
It's a lot of fun.
With Snow Paint, you can draw anything.
Look at all these colors.
You can draw your name, or maybe if you want to draw a flower, you can do that too. Or just a giant blob of colors.
Snow paint! Snow paint! Woohoo!
It comes in 5 colors.
Red, blue, purple, green, just like this slide, yellow like the sun.
Snow Paint is perfect for the ages 3 and up. If you call within the next 3 days, Snow Paint can be yours for just $19.99. Call now, 1-800-444-SNOW or 1-800-444-7669. That's 1-800-444-7669. But wait, if you call today, you can get double the colors for the same price. So call now. Offer ends soon. 1-800-444-SNOW. Must be 18 or older to call.